Guys, nagkuhan me. Nag-recollection. Yeah, let's go DDM June 2025.
Each bruise will shine like victory's flame. So stand up strong, play the game.
Sabay tayo. Babasa ka ba?
Dream for
Don't grab your license.
so make your own
And what's your goal?
Take the leap, climb the mountain, dive so deep. Speak with passion, live out loud. Stand out fearless in the
Paalam mo na ako.
Bakit? Akala ko isang ano lang.
you got the light.
Happy birthday, Lexi. Happy birthday kami
Push through doubt, embrace the climb, one bold step at a time. Fall
Ay, papasok ng tatlat siya.
rise with pride,
Oh,
keep the hunger burning inside. The brave don't wait, they begin. They play to grow, they play to win. Say it loud, I'm made to soar. You are the dream you're fighting for. Won't dream for you.
Papasa ka ba? Ba't tatang ka ba? What is
Make
your
your
goal?
dream happen. Stop the dive so deep, speak with passion. Stand out fearless in the crowd. You got fire, you got the light.
What's your goal?
Born to Don't wait for stars to realign. The spark you need is already mine. Live the story, write your name. Burn with purpose, dance through flames. Say yes to risk, embrace the call. You're meant to rise, not meant to fall. This is your time.
I know, right? Hey guys, papasa ba? Papasa! Siyempre papasa. Lord, kahit hindi mag-tap, gusto ko lang talaga pumasa, Lord. Kahit one take na pasa, Lord. Punta kami sa room namin. Kinakabahan na ako. Kinakabahan na ako. Yun! Number 6. Okay, 6. That's my 6th plan. Let's go. Let's go, my mind. Let's go. Villanueva 6 ka naman. Let's go. Bukas na din. Bukas na isa. Last day na before mag-boards. Guys. Let's go, guys. Day 1. Kamusta day 1?
Okay lang.
Tara na. Mag-practice na lang.
Basic lang.
Sabi ko, okay guys, tapos na yung day 2! Thank you, PRC sa Pharma. Thank you, PRC sa Pharma.
Guys, pinakatakot ako sa Marma, pero parang hindi pa
Promise.
sa mahirapan.
Ever since nag-start ang review season, Pharma yung pinakaayaw ko. Day 3 of dentistry board exam. Thank you, Lord. Kaya na mo nini. Kaya ko ini. Tap na tap yan. Pa yung pakaseryoso mo, B. Tapos na day 3. Guys, tuman na guys! Tuman na guys! Okay na?
Tapuan na, tapuan.
Tara,
Ano pa
tapuan.
100% ang suo.
Tapos na day 3. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Tapos na day 3. Mapasa kami. Papasa kami lahat.
Nasa list na yung pangalan
Thank you, Lord.
natin. Nasa list na
Day
ng
3 done.
board passer.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Florida Janessa Gay La Pablo present act for
Papa,
Okay, day 4 of our DLE. Sakit ng chan ko. Masakit ang kunti yan. It's day 4 of DLE. It's practice. It's 3 and 1 day.
Ano? 3 in 1, no?
3 and 1. Baka hindi yung unahin mo ha.
Oo nga, shucks. Bigla nag-ano, outline.
Okay guys, let's go. We're on the way to see you.
For the go na.
Hi, good morning.
Na,
Okay, day 4 done. Ganon. Anong masasabi mo sa day 4?
Day 4.
Day 4. Gisipon ko. May 7-Eleven guys. Nagawas ulit ang nakit. Sorry. Si Lord na bahala aso. Hi guys, it's day 5 out of 5. It's CD, it's last day of DLE. Lord, sana last day ko na rin tong susuotin na uniform ko. Kasi ayoko na mag-take ulit.
face to face with the typo doon? You want that?
Huy! So we're here na guys. That's nice. Say hi.
Hi!
Hi, Ate Dawn. Hi guys. Finished day 5 of my boards. CD. So, asya ni niya na. Intaganak na mura orang nga challenges ng Ginoo, grabe. As in. Ikaw patak nag-mount. Ikaw pat. Oh my gosh. Tapos, what? Diri ko nagigets. Basta kakuri. Tapos nagdalagan na. Ikaduha ako bumalik sa trimming room. Sa trim room, ikaduha ako bumalik. Kay tungod. Kay sige ako bas-basan. Kay tungod ka visit ora basta. Pero thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Kay warak nagpadaras ako ng emotions. So, yun. I still finished it despite 30 minutes left nag-remount ako guys. Pero ginuna ko human ng fistula sa patient. Thank you Lord. Thank you. Oras ito mga pero thank you Lord. Shout. DMD in the making.
Make your dream happen, take the leap, climb the mountain, dive so deep, speak with passion, live out loud, stand up fearless in the crowd.
Mari ko pa nga ninakitan.
Stars to realign, the spark you need is already mine. Live the story, write your name, burn with purpose, dance through flames, say yes to risk, embrace the daily.
Mari ko pa nga ninakitan.
Dream for you.
No!